Alright, this is how to change the front driver fender on a 2005 Dodge Ram 1500. There's a 10 millimeter, 13, 13, 10. Under this plastic, I broke it, but there's another 10. There's two 10s right here and right here. 10, 10, 10. There's a 10 millimeter, and then the last one is in here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. So after removing all those 10 millimeter bolts, the two 13s, it's all down here and inside the wheel well. I just got it. Should come right off. Okay, I forgot to mention to disconnect. There's another 10 millimeter bolt to one of these sensors. Disconnect that from the fender. Disconnect your light, turn signal. For me, mine's broken, and I got a new socket that I'm going to install as well. Make sure you remove them too before you take off the fender. So I got this other fender at the junkyard. Got this other fender at the junkyard. It's better than the one I had. The headlight frame is intact. It's got a little dent right there, but regardless, it's a better one than I have that I can install. Alright, the next step is to line it up with the frame of the body. And let's bolt all these back up. So this is what it'll look like. The frame for the headlight's still intact. It's just a slight damage right here, but that's way better than the one that I had. As you can see here, the whole frame for the headlight was just wrecked. Here's a new headlight that I'm gonna install. Let's do it. Fuck it. Okay, so that's how it looks on once you bolt it all up. You got 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 13 millimeter, 13 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter up top. This would be normally covered with that black plastic, but I had trouble and cracking on me, so I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. There's a 10 millimeter one in here inside the wheel well. It's literally, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my fender, the wheel fenders in. Alright, so now we're installing the new headlight. I have to put the flash on because it's getting dark. Alright, so what we're gonna do is I'll take out our headlight. It's still good, so I'm gonna still use this as a backup. And then now you would take out the light for your turn signal, but my socket's all messed up and there's clearly a light bulb missing. So what we're gonna do is take it off, and I got this replacement one that I bought at like Advanced Autos, and we're gonna use that. It just goes in right here, clip it in, clip it in, and that's that. So that's the turn signal, and that's our headlight, and they already have light bulbs in with this one, so we're just gonna, so what you want to do is connect the headlight socket and the turn signal socket. This one actually came with one, so I'm going to return the one that I bought. It goes up, and then there's this clamp right here and right here that go into here and here. Okay, so like I said, those two in the back you push in. Then we got this, it's like a guard. It comes with 3 push pins that you push in. And then you have 10mm bolt here and 10mm bolt here, and this clip that you plug back in as well. And then that should be it for the headlight, and we'll see if it works. Alright, so we started it up. The headlight works, turn signal works, the frame's in, nice and tight. And that's how you change the front fender and the headlight to a 2005 Dodge Ram 1500. So yeah, remember, you got the rubber guard. They're like push-in pins. You got 10mm with the clip. It's like a sensor. And then the 2 plastic things that you put in right up there. And it's like a pushing thing. You push it in. Once you push it in, it kind of locks in. So then that's it. We'll put the wheel guard back and put my fender back on and call it a night.